Hey. Alright, y'all, so it's actually about to storm, and I had to come out here and make sure nobody would look at me funny as I'm walking in to film the tour. You guys see something cool? I think you do. I think you want to see something cool. Look at that. So this is the little man-made beach at the complex. And it's so cute, and it doesn't do it justice because it's about to rain. And the chairs and all that have like been sprawled all over the place. But yeah, let's go back in here so we can do this tour. Is my front door. It's actually green because they're so cute. Let's go in. Let's see what there is here. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Alright, let me flip it back around. I gotta talk to you for a minute. Alright. So this is really important, this apartment, empty apartment tour, whatever you want to call it, because I really need help decorating. My apartment is empty, semi-empty. You call it what you want. I'm making this video because, of course, I made a video about getting your first apartment, which I've already had my first, but this is my second. And yeah, it's an upgrade from my last apartment. So here we go. Hold on. All right. So I'm going to turn in. This is where I walked in, and if I sound winded, forgive me because, yeah, I'm just out of shape like that. But this is the front door. And also forgive me if the focus is not all the way there because this camera does what it wants to do. So on the front, when you first walk in, there's like one area of hardwood. This is for like if any reason you wanted to get it. I need to get a mat, and my trash can is usually right there. And this will prevent people from, like, you know, messing up your carpet. They come in and they want to take their shoes off. I'm planning on getting some kind of rack, either to go on the back of the door or somewhere like right here or somewhere, maybe there, just so people can take their shoes off and whatever. So tell me, like, if you guys have any ideas about that, because that's something I'm really looking into. So when you first walk in, back to the start, to my left, here's the alarm, which you actually have to pay extra to use. They all come with an alarm, but in order to activate it, you got to pay extra. That's the little breaker box. This is a closet, which is like a coat closet. I just keep a couple hats in my purse right here. That's what it looks like inside. There's no light in there, but that would just be like if you wanted to hang some stuff up or whatever. Extra storage, which right now I'm just using that shelf, but I'm sure I will need all of this space soon. But right now I don't have nothing, so yeah. I just don't have a lot. I won't say I don't have anything, but I don't have a lot, especially not for that. But anyway, so this is the restroom. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And so if my guests wanted to use the restroom, they would actually use this, which is also my personal restroom, which means I gotta keep it clean, right? Which you should do anyway, but we all know how that goes. So this is it. So my memory card was full, and I gotta figure that out later because I don't, yeah. This is a vanity. Hey, that's me. Cabinet. There's a lot of storage I really like in this restroom. There is 1, 2, 3 drawers and also cabinet space for whatever you need. Like that. There's a toilet, cool little rack for whatever. Here is the shower / tub. I really, really love how deep this tub is because my last tub was not as deep and I just didn't feel comfortable getting in it. It's very, very deep. And for this is another thing I need your guys' help on. Right now, I only got a plastic, like, clear shower curtain from Dollar Tree because I have no idea how I'm going to decorate my bathroom and if I want to get, like, a, you know, like a shower curtain with print or whatever. So, please give me some ideas on that. And here is the door. So, there are 2 doors to the restroom. Obviously, I told you there's only one. So, there's, like, my door, which would be this one, and then this door back out to the front, the one that we came in. There's also like a little light vent right there. That's what it would look like if the big light was off. I really like how dim and cool that is. I just don't like the vent. Yeah, so that's the restroom. And when you go here, hold on, I gotta turn that light off. Here is the hallway. Now this is my closet to the left and that's the laundry to the right. Typically your closet is in your bedroom, like your, you know, clothes closet, but mine's actually out here because it's a 1-bed, 1-bath. And this is what it looks like. I just keep my purse right there. I don't know why. That's what it looks like. And there is a light in here. Hold on for me. There we go. So this is the left side of the closet. I just got some random stuff there. Shelf here. Laundry basket, suitcase, boots. And then here's the right side with more clothes and stuff. And I haven't like entirely figured this out yet, but it's not much to it. Like, it's a closet. Like, what more can you do? Not much, but color code, which comes when you get really bored. Well, me at least. So there's that, and then we flip around to our back is the laundry. So let me actually go back this way so you can see where I'm going. So remember, that was the closet that we just went in. Over here is the laundry. Nothing special, just wash and dryer. And yes, I don't fold my clothes right away all the time because I be in a rush and stuff. So yeah, take me to jail because it's such a crime. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so as we go through this hallway, we go into the bedroom. Which my bedroom is not fancy right now. I feel like it's just perfect. Look at my lights. Aren't they so cute? Aren't they so cute? Okay, so right now I'm at home. Let me turn the real light on. So I'm actually using containers and stuff for like stands because again, I do not have any furniture. So I do what I can. I have my 2 computers here, 2 remotes. This is my bed. There's Mr. Teddy Metter chilling over there. Blankets and stuff. My TV is sitting on a container, my Xbox on the floor, a controller, window, bed again, cool. Nothing fancy, and I don't have a comforter, so whoa, the thunder. So this is my headboard. It's like a suede material. It's really, really nice. It's purple. And I have no idea what kind of comforter I want to get. So right now I'm just using my really cozy thick blankets because it's not hot at all. It's the middle of summer. And it does get cold at night because I keep it cold in here. But other than that, I don't have a comforter yet because I don't know what kind of comforter to get. I really want to do black and white, but I'm not sure. So I need help on that as well. Alright, so I just turned the light off. This is the dream catcher that I got from Bree. Thank you, Bree. I don't know what I want to do with that yet, but I'll just keep it on the door for now. So we are in the living room. So that's the front door is over there. Hold on. Hold on. He's here. Yeah, front door right there. So we're coming out of the bedroom, and I'm going to just go ahead and show y'all the balcony first. And this is one of my favorite features of the whole apartment because I did not have a balcony before. And it is raining, so forgive me if I start acting like a little bit. Alright, so this is the door to the balcony. Green, just like the front door. So cute. So cute. And the balcony is pretty spacious. Like, very, very spacious. There's a little ceiling fan. There is a storage closet. Nothing special. But it does have a light, I believe. It does. Yeah, a light for whatever reason. I don't have anything to store here, but when I do, it'll be nice to have. Because again, I don't have any furniture. Yeah, but it's not such a pretty day anymore. It's like 7 or 8 p.m. So yeah, but it's okay. Earlier it was pretty. Yep. Let's go back in. Oh, we're just lightning. I just saw some lightning. Alright, and this, now let me tell you, when you get your apartment, make sure you check things like the locks on the doors because, hold on, let me show you. This door is unlocked right now, right? So when I try to lock it, it doesn't lock unless I pull up the door and lock it at the same time. So I'm going to have to try to hold my camera. Hold on. Hold on. I hope you can see it because this is difficult. Basically, I have to pull the door and lock it at the same time. Otherwise, it won't lock. Hold on. There we go. So now it's locking, but I mean, it's not like a big deal, but if small stuff like that makes you like agitated, which like it does me, make sure you check those when you first go to your apartment. All right, so yeah, there's a light out there. Where's the light? Oh, it's up here. I just turned it on. I didn't even know there was a light out there. Cool. And a fan. I'm gonna turn those off though because that's unnecessary. So there's a living room window. Nothing special. Got stuff on the floor. There's my tripod chilling over there. This is the whole living room. Now, this is where I'm like, another place I'm perplexed. I want to get a sectional. I know I'm going to get a sectional. Now, I don't know. Now, the long part is going to go against this wall, but I don't know if I should turn it to where the short part goes here or the short part goes there. Now, maybe I should show you the kitchen first and all this before I explain why I'm perplexed. So this is the whole living room. Cool. I know for a fact my TV is gonna go here. Now I don't know if I'm gonna get a TV or a projector, but either way it's gonna go right here on this wall because it just makes sense. And then again, I don't know if the sectional will go boom boom or boom boom. Now the only reason I'm hesitant to have it come out here is because I'm gonna get bar stools here. Now this is my kitchen, and it's a little weird because this is the island, but I don't have a dining room, so this kind of like doubles. So I have to get bar stools to go here. And my concern is if I get a sectional that comes out here, there won't be any room for anybody to kind of get by. Which I don't even know if there needs to be room, because if the couch is there and that's it, like why would anybody need to get by? But I don't know. So I need help. But anyway, this is the kitchen. I just have some random stuff sitting there because I have random stuff everywhere. That's the candle I have burning right now. It's a mood, stress relief. Actually works. I don't know about like the body wash and all that, but the candles, I love them. There's my speaker, just keep that on deck. Here's a counter with some stuff, more candles, love candles. Here's my stove, microwave. Let me back up a little bit. Alright, so coming from that end, that's where we just came from. Here's the balcony over there, hey. And then yeah, so you have the microwave, the cabinets, and all my stuff on the counters. I have my Keurig, which I got from Goodwill for like $7. Bro, it was basically brand new. I really like these lights up here. Well, I really like these lights. There's these, which are like, I don't even know what kind, I guess like studio lights. I don't know, that's what they remind me of. And then these, which are like just, I don't know, lights. And so yeah, that's those. So this is everything. This is my sink. You can see it if it will focus at all. That little piece of there. This little piece that says live, love, laugh, I got from Casey. Hey Casey, thank you. I love that, and I will take that wherever I go. And then there's this counter. I have an empty bottle of wine, which I need to throw away, and all that stuff. Now, also, these lights right here. This is like a strip of LED lights, and y'all, I need to figure out where to put them because look. Oh my God, look how they change like patterns and colors and like, isn't it so cute? Look at it. There's literally, this is the remote to it. Y'all, there's literally so many different, hold on. There's so many different like patterns and just crazy stuff you can do with these lights. And I'm like, I don't know if I should put them in the living room or what, but look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I wanted to put them around my headboard like I have those other lights, but I'm like, these need to be somewhere else, like fancy. Oh my God, look, it's so cute. So cute. You can even do like plain white, and then you can dim it if you want them dark, or you can like make them bright. You know, like it's just amazing. Anyway, yeah, turn those off. Turn those off. How do you turn off? There we go. But yeah, I need to figure out where should I put those. Anyway, so that's that counter. Those are all my cabinets. It's top of the fridge. There's a little cabinet under the island. This is like my pantry. Well, I'm using it as a pantry. I don't know if it's supposed to be a linen closet or a pantry, but I'm using it as a pantry. Because that's what I want to do. So, that's that. That's where the water heater is. And we are back to the door. You know what that means? That means it's time to get out. It means it's time for you to go. It means it's time for you to get out of my house. And I'm just kidding. Well, guys, hold on, let me sit you up. Is this good? Yeah. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me some comments, something to help me figure out how to decorate this place, because it's literally empty. And I want it, like right now it's like a blank canvas, and I have the things I have in here because it's like they're kind of a necessity. I'm not gonna get rid of my bed. I love my bed, and I just need to know how to decorate around it. That's like the only furniture I have, honestly. So for a living room, bathroom, there's really no furniture that can go in the kitchen. Bar stools, if you see any of that stuff, please let me know. If you think a specific color scheme is cool, let me know that. Any suggestions I am open to. Mi casa es su casa. I mean, not like literally, but I really need your help. So for real, y'all. Any comments, not concerns. Well, if you have concerns, let me know, unless it's like something that you kind of stupid. But if you feel like it's a genuine concern, I would love to know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And yeah, if you want to see more on this series, just go ahead and hit me up. Check out my first apartment video. That's kind of what led to this one. And if you have any questions or whatever, feel free to contact me. I have multiple forms of contact or communication, and I'll leave all my stuff below. So check it out. Thank you again so much, so much, so much. And let me know something. I love you. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it, y'all. If I forgot anything, let me know. For real. Because I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'm not sure. But this video, I feel like is a little too long, so I'm going to end it. Again, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.